driving can also be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
34 receive.
The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Winds, northwest 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing, through this evening. Impacts, loose objects will be tossed around by strong winds. Some tree limbs could be downed by stronger gusts, causing sporadic power outages. Driving high-profile vehicles could be impacted, particularly on northwest to southeast-oriented roadways. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, or wind gusts over 45 miles per hour, are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. And now the hour